Hello! In this video we're going to talk about how to change your spiral window balance on a tilt-in window. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the window out. So you can unlock it here, pull it up a little bit, and one of the ways that you're going to know if you need to change your window balances is that if you pull up on your window like so, and it just falls immediately right back down. That means that either the window balance shoe or the window balance itself has failed and you need to replace it. So with it up like this, you're going to push in on the two latches right here and tilt in the window. When you tilt it in like this, you want to be careful to not go past a horizontal orientation, or else you risk damaging either one of the shoes right here, which is just going to end up in you having to replace another thing. So once it's here, we're going to take one side of the window, tilt it up, and the window should just slide free like so. Put that off to the side, and then we can go ahead and change out the window balance. Now we can see the window balance here and the window balance shoe here. Now, we recommend that whenever you change one of your window balances, you also change the other side as well. This will make sure that both of your window balances are the same, which means that however much force you're going to be putting on this one is the same amount of force that you're going to be putting on the other side of the window, making everything equal. So, you're going to take your spiral balance tool. You can find these at allaboutdoors.com. And we're just going to put it here, and we're going to take out this vinyl covering. When you take this out, it reveals the entirety of the window balance right here. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to unlock the spiral balance shoe right here. And it should unlock, and the tension will pull the shoe towards the body of the window balance. Once the balance shoe is pulled up to the window balance, we can lock it back into place by just doing the reverse of what we did. Then you take your spiral balance tool, and we're going to be aiming to get these hooks onto the two bolts on the bottom of the window balance like so. Then we can pull down slightly and pull out, and the window balance is released. Following that, you take your Phillips screwdriver, and you are free to uninstall the entire window balance by unscrewing that screw up here. Then we're going to take our new window balance, again, line it up, and now we begin to screw this back in to finish installing this window balance. With your window balance shoe down here and locked, we're going to take this spiral balance tool again, using the hooks to hook onto the bottom two knots there. And then we're going to check and confirm whether your window balance tube is made of vinyl or aluminum. With a window balance where the tube is made of vinyl, like this one here, you would turn it to the left or counterclockwise in order to put tension on it. I'm going to twist it about 3 to 4 times just to get a good amount of tension on there, and then we can pull it down. If your window balance tube was made of aluminum, the other option, you could turn it to the right or clockwise in order to tighten. You bring it down to where the first 2 rungs, the ones not held by the spiral balance tool, can slot into the window balance shoe, like so. You can lift up, and you have successfully reinstalled a window balance. We take our vinyl cover and place it back over the window balance. Then we're going to take our window and reinstall it. Push your window back into place in the right side balance shoe, and push it down while aligning the left side into the other balance shoe. It should line up, and once it does, you can push the window back into place. And you've successfully changed a spiral window balance. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or call us. You can find our number on allaboutdoors.com.